Hello. Today we talking about leverage the power of AI for simplified creation of e-commerce ads. In today's fast-paced digital world, e-commerce is evolving at an unprecedented speed. One of the most impactful trends is influencer marketing and user-generated content, UGC, on platforms like TikTok. With the aid of advanced AI technology, it's possible to create engaging e-commerce ads in minutes, without the need for extensive video filming or editing. Platforms like TikTok Shop affiliates and tools like Krea AI offer this possibility, allowing individuals to easily integrate product promotions into their content and earn substantial commissions. By understanding your target audience and identifying relevant products, you can create engaging content around them. With Krea AI, you can transform product listings into captivating video ads in seconds. The platform offers flexibility to customize the content and choose from a variety of voices and avatars. This simplified and effective approach allows creators to focus on connecting with their audience and driving sales. Platforms like TikTok Shop affiliates and tools like Krea AI represent a gateway to financial freedom and success in e-commerce. By leveraging the power of AI-driven technology, you can unlock new opportunities and pave the way for success in the world of online commerce. Thank you and see you next time.